Hello, hello. This is Mary Vivanco, Avon Rep Online. I'm just now opening the box of my orders for my customer. Customer last week ordered 20 of the Avon Dew Kiss. It's her favorite. She's in love with them. It's my favorite too. I love them too. It's awesome product. And also I order this Christmas tree that I wanted, that caught my eye, and it's the iconic 2020 vintage light up tree. I love when they come out. This year they're coming out with all kinds of iconic items that makes our Avon today. And let's see, I am so excited to see what this little tree looks like. Just bear with me here. Trying to get it out of the box. And let's see what it looks like. Ooh, oh, my camera, it's a little bit out of focus. Why is it doing that? I have no idea. Let me see. This is adorable. Adorable. You see? Oh, wow. This is awesome. I love already. Let me get it out of the plastic. Oh my goodness. Whoa, this is beautiful. Whoa, this is lovely. It really is lovely. Why is my camera not coming in focus? I have no idea what's going on. There it is. That's the iconic tree, which I will be posting the link on this, and I can't wait to turn it on. I'm sure that batteries were not included, but sometimes they do. Let me check it out. Bear with me one moment here, please. No, it requires AA batteries, but this is beautiful. Whoa, I love it. Love it. And I'm going to look for a place for it, and I'll make a video as where I'm going to place it at, and lit up too with batteries. And so exciting. Yes, I said that I was going to decorate this year, and I am, because the last couple years I haven't. But this year I will try to do little decorations here and there. And this is the Avon brochure campaign 25, which will be introduced in a week and a half from now. So thanks for watching, and I'll keep you posted on that adorable, iconic, vintage light up tree. Thanks for watching. Bye.